So I started out with honing out the cylinder. After that, I removed the head gasket and cleaned off all the gasket material. I had already removed all the piston rings, so here I'm installing the oil control ring, and after that I installed the other two rings. After replacing the rings, I removed the bearings from the rod and replaced them. Using a ring compressor, I installed the piston. After the piston was installed, I installed the other bearing for the connecting rod and bolted it down. Once it was bolted down, I used a torque wrench and torqued it to the specs. I took the new valves and I put a little bit of valve grinding compound on them, and I used a drill just to seat the valves. After seating the valves, I took my time cleaning all the valve grinding compound out, and I also cleaned out the inside of where the valves go through, just to make sure that there's no valve grinding compound in there. I started to reassemble the head, and the first thing that I did was put the valves in and put the valve seals on. I had a bit of trouble getting the valve spring retainers to go in properly, but I was able to get it after playing around with it. Thanks for watching part 4 in this series. Part 5 should be coming out shortly.